Hey, I'm Tal. I'm the AI Product Manager at Augury. Today, I'm walking you through the latest updates to Augury's mobile app. We just updated our app, making machine health monitoring and IoT management accessible from your smartphone. Let me give you a tour of what you need to know. First, let's look at the homepage. This is where you can get a complete overview of all your machines and see which ones need your attention, all within the app. Just like our desktop experience, everything is sorted by priority, so you can quickly identify machines that need immediate attention. With our new machine health experience, you can sort your machine list by recommended actions or apply filters to focus on what matters most to you. Dive deeper into any machine to see the faults we've identified and get recommended actions you need with our fault cards. They provide you with a prescriptive diagnosis from both Augury's AI and vibration analysts. This is where you can also upload videos or other documentation and choose to schedule a repair. Need to troubleshoot an issue while you're on the floor? Use our app's built-in chat to connect with one of our VAs for real-time help with your diagnostics. With the Augury mobile app, you can also access IoT Health from your smartphone. This means you can quickly resolve connectivity problems when you're on the plant floor, near machines and IoT devices, and get everything running smoothly again from the app. Let me show you. Our redesigned IoT Health page focuses on machine-centric IoT management, allowing you to prioritize the most critical IoT issues. When you click into each IoT device, you can access all the details and troubleshoot directly in the app. Another useful feature is the ability to upload photos. If you need to map a new endpoint or edit its details, you can scan the QR code with the app, enter the information, and save your changes within seconds. Finally, the Augury app allows you to access all our support guides, providing step-by-step instructions at your fingertips. This is just the beginning of our new mobile experience, so stay tuned for updates on new features we're rolling out very soon. And that's it for our latest Need to Know Augury mobile app updates. For more information on our solutions, click the link below and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on our latest product news and more.